Today's story is the Princess Rosette. So, in a kingdom, there used to live a king and queen. So, these king and queen have three children, two sons and one daughter. So, these three children used to look very good, and the daughter has a golden hair. So she used to look very good, so she's very beautiful. So one day they called everyone of the kingdom for a treat as they have given birth to the Rosette. So they have called some fairies from fairies also for the treat. So the treat was completed and fairies were leaving. So then the Rosette's mother asked, the queen asked that, can you say the future of my Rosette? So the fairy said that there is a sin for your both sons. So till she become big, she should be means till she become big. These two children, this your two sons have some means they'll die, because of her they'll die. So they have that sin. So there is no any solution for that. The king and queen searched a lot for the solution. So the king said that there is a means like there is a then the king said that there is a saint, so he'll say the solution for this. Everyone in the kingdom used to meet him if there is any problem. So this king and queen will, these both king and queen will go and they'll ask for a solution. So the saint will say that, if you keep your daughter Rosette in a big tower which is far away from your kingdom, and then all will be good. So then the king said okay for that, and they'll leave from there. So from then onwards, till she became big, the Rosette was in the big tower which was constructed far away to the kingdom. So later she became big and all were happy. In sudden, these both king and queen felt very much ill, and they died. They passed away. All felt sorry for that, and the bigger child became the king for that, and the other second one became the princess for the kingdom. So then they bought her sister out of the tower. As she became big, they bought her out, and later after she came out, she saw one peacock. So from then she was saying to her brothers that she'll marry only the king of the peacocks. So the peacock was very good, so I'll marry only the king of peacock. So these both brothers will think a lot, and they will say to her sister, and they leave from there. So we are going for the search of peacock, king of peacocks. So you be careful and take care of our kingdom. So Rosette will say okay, and they leave from there. These both brothers will leave, and they'll search for a long time. Almost 4 days will be passed away, and they'll be still searching. So they saw one kingdom. They were full of peacocks, and all men and women were wearing the dresses of peacock. So then they found the king of peacock, and then they asked the king that, will you marry my sister? And she want only the king of peacock, and she'll marry only him. So the king, they'll show the picture of her sister to the king. So the king will ask that, will her heart, means her hair is so means looking good and it is gold, golden color, is her heart also in the color of gold? So the kings will say that yes. So the brothers will say that yes, of course, she's a very kind person. They'll say. So the king will let those both brothers be in that kingdom for 2 days, and then Rosette will start from her kingdom. So they'll send a letter from here to their kingdom. So the Rosette will start from her kingdom with her maid and with her nurse and her nurse daughter. So they'll start, and they'll go into a river. So they should pass that river to reach that kingdom. So in between that, she also took her pet dog with her. So with that, this pet dog, nurse and her daughter and the Rosette, these 4 members left, and they reached the river, and they were traveling in a boat. So after Rosette slept, the nurse went near the boatman, and she said that we'll throw the princess and her dog into the river, so I'll give you 100 gold coins. So will you help me, she'll ask. So he'll be very eager to see those 100 gold coins, and he'll say okay, and these 3 members will leave Rosette and her dog. So she used to sleep on a bed. So along that bed she came. So it is made with very light material, so it can float on water. So they kept her on the water, and they left. Even though they left her, it was still floating because of that light future. So next, this nurse daughter became like a princess. She dressed like a princess, and she went, and she told to the king, I am the princess, so will you get married to me? So she bet a lot of peacocks, and she got very irritated to say something to the king. So the king means the king told, I'll punish you if you do not. So the king will say, I'll punish you if you do not. Means you told your sister's hair will be gold, but his hair is not gold. So he'll say for his soldiers to keep them in prison. So then her sister Rosette will come there, and she'll say the whole story, and the king of peacock will get married to the Rosette, and from then they'll live very happily. So this is today's story. Thank you.